Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my channel Art with Aim. Today we are going to make beautiful wall hangings by using circular cardboards of different colorful patterns. But before starting, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it so you couldn't miss upcoming videos. Okay, let's start. Take cardboard strips of two different sizes. Now we are going to use this sticky tape so we could wrap this cardboard strip. Here all these strips are ready. Now we are going to paint it. You can use spray paint or also metallic paints, even acrylic paints. Now we have taken circular cardboards of diameter 10 centimeter. The other one is 15 centimeter. And also 18 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Now to draw a pattern on circular cardboard, we have used nylon wire. Friends, I have made a lot of videos of wall hangings and on paper art. You can visit my channel for this. And if you like any of the video, please don't forget to subscribe. Here it's done. Now on the circular cardboard, we have to use bead strand. Here it's done. Like this we have to make different patterns by using bead strand and also nylon wire, and you can also use many other material like this. Now we are going to paint with copper color. You can use paint and also spray colors. It's done. Now we are going to use spray of golden color. Here our circles are ready. Here all of our strips are ready. Now we have to stick them with each other by using glue gun. Now fix all of the circles, big and small circles. And it's finally done. Yeah, take a look on a beautiful wall hangings. I hope you would like it. If you like it, please give me thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.